Greetings from the local councils of Malta. We make up 68 municipalities, we will show ya. We're an island country in the Mediterranean Sea. We're in the south, off the coast of the country, Italy. I am Etwar, this is Bergson. Bergu's what you see, Berge Karazan, Berzimbucha, Kaspikwa, Dengli, this is Oscura. I am Floriana and Fontana, Einzina and Ars, Dargur, Asli, Asha, and Gurgia, I'm Zia, Hamrun, Liklin, Kaltaraspan, Kerjam, Kirkuk, I'm Leah and Lua. My name's Marta and Marta Scala, Marta Shuchia, Santa Benda, Singlia, Sintui, Slima, Sweetie, Fasin, I'm Bonetta, I'm Victoria, Taj Bish, Shara, Shokia, Jaira, Zabak, Hazabucha Malta, Isabucha Gota, Zaytun, and Zurich. I'm Malta, a country in the Mediterranean Sea. I made up of 3 islands, I'm sure you'll want to see. This island is Malta, is the island of Gozo, and last but not least, the island of Paulino. My capital is here, its name is Valletta. I'm glad that it appeared, so I can show ya. Greetings from the local councils of Malta. We make up 68 municipalities, we will show ya. We're an island country in the Mediterranean.